Hello guys, today we will learn that how to write essay on my hobby in 200 words. And friends, if this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to like this video. So now let's get started. My hobby. Hobbies enable us to spend our leisure hours. We need time to relax and recreate after day's work. Different people can have different type of hobbies. Hobbies bring occupation in our idle hours. They keep us away from bad habits. They help us to forget our pains and loneliness of life. There are many types of hobbies like motor driving, swimming, photography, cooking, etc. But my hobby is gardening. Our hobby is very spacious. We have about 500 square meters of uncovered land at the back of our bungalow. There are 15 varieties of rose flowers in my garden. My garden is very dear to me. I spend 2 hours daily in my garden. I love planting flowers, especially some vegetables of the particular season in my garden. Morning gardening really makes me feel so fresh and active. It brings me close to nature and I feel lost like Wordsworth in the beauty of blooms and blossoms around me. I developed the backyard of my house into garden. Now it is a beautiful garden. It gives me pleasure as well as good exercise. I feel proud when my friends and guests praise my garden. I carry on gardening only in my spare time.